You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable Talkback on your Android device. Let's get straight into it. Talkback is an accessibility feature designed to help users who are visually impaired. When it's turned on, it provides spoken feedback, uses vibrations, and lets you navigate the phone using gestures instead of relying on the screen visually. It's useful for many people, but if you've turned it on by accident or no longer need it, it can be a bit tricky to turn off, especially if you're not used to the different controls. To disable Talkback, start by going to your phone's settings and tapping on accessibility. In the list of services, find and select Talkback, then tap the toggle to turn it off. You'll be asked to confirm your choice. Just double tap to confirm. While Talkback is on, remember that you'll need to use 2 fingers to scroll and double tap instead of single tap to select anything. If your phone supports it, there's also a shortcut. Press and hold both volume buttons for about 3 seconds. And if that shortcut is enabled in your settings, it will turn off Talkback instantly. Once it's disabled, your phone will go back to normal touch and swipe controls. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more helpful Android tips. See you later.